Have you heard about this new feature on Instagram called Instagram Guides? Well, if you haven't, don't worry, it's not a mass thing yet. But I wanted to be one of the first to get on here and talk to you about Instagram Guides because this new feature is being worked on behind the scenes. And as a creator or a business owner who's using Instagram, I want you guys to always know about the updates that are coming down the pipeline so that you guys can be prepared. If you're new to our channel, welcome. I love to talk about all things social media and influencer marketing. My name is Nina Zeta. I'm the co-founder of Sidewalker Daily, and we work with both brands and creators on their business strategy. And we obviously deal with a lot of social media when it comes to that. And if you're not new and you're a ride or die Sidewalker Daily fan, welcome back. So today, as I mentioned, I want to dive into the world of Instagram guides. And as you guys know, in my videos, I like to go deep. I like to go into it. So I'm going to be sharing what guides are, what this means in the market for all of us as creators that are obviously need to know about what's happening in this space. Because remember, as a business owner, if you're on Instagram, you need to treat Instagram in that business way. You need to know what's happening. So I want you guys to also understand and listen to this video with the mindset of, I want to learn what's happening in this space, because when this does develop and when guides really do take over, if they take over, you'll be ready to jump on the train, ASAP. So let's start at the beginning. What are Instagram guides? So Instagram guides are basically longer form content that you can post on Instagram that is going to be really, really good for tip sharing, for lists, and for recommendations. Guides were originally launched to give creators a place. It was really meant for like the wellness industry to help people with the anxiety and coping with things of the COVID-19 pandemic. But since then, since the creation of guides, we are starting to expect that guides will be released to a lot of different other creators outside of the wellness niche to talk about different things that they may want to do. If you think about guides, like I would think about it as more like kind of like a blog within Instagram. They are trying to have you spend more time on the platform, right? Now, if you watch my video all about the Instagram algorithm, you'll know that Instagram wants you to be on their site or their app as much as possible. So it makes sense that rather than having you direct your traffic to, your website or your blog, they're going to want you to create your guide within the app. So like I mentioned, guides are going to be really great for list style of content. And as of now, you can promote your own content within your guides, but you can also promote other people's content. So let's just say you are doing a roundup and you're promoting different tips and tricks and values, you can bring in other creators into your guide. Now, guides are not open to everyone yet. There are only select creators that are being able to use this. I'm going to share my screen so I can show you guys how this looks, but I wanted to kind of give you that understanding as to what they are and why they're important. Now, also, before I share my screen, let's talk about why guides are important. I think first of all, one of the big things in the industry is that Pinterest started creating more longer form content, storytelling, and Instagram was like, wait a second, we want a piece of this action as well. So they've developed guides, not only as a place they want their creators to stay on Instagram and create this type of content on Instagram. So now I'm going to be sharing my screen and showing you guys how guides look. So we're going to go ahead here on the Explore page and hit the shop button. This is where we're going to be able to find guides. Right here, as I scrolled along, you saw editors picks, brand collections, guides was right here. When you click view guides, you're gonna now be able to look at all the different guides. And you guys see how it says like 9 products, 7 products. It's now, it's gonna be a place that you can start to bring in other people's, it's gonna be a place that really merges the Instagram shopping component. So let's go ahead and click this creator and see what they were saying. Interior wish lists, and they have all these different products in a list form that they are selling. And as you can see, these are, a little bit of, they're all different brands right here. This was CB2. This brand was a different ottoman, bench. So if we go check out this creator, we can go see right here using this icon to see all the different guides she has created. And if you're looking to learn about who has access to guides, you can actually, right here on this top button, it's gonna have you a wish list. So let's just say you saw something on a guide that you liked, you could go ahead and save it And you can even share the guide with someone else. You can share it in your story, you can share it with a friend, and you can also copy the link so that you can access it later. So again, very similar. It's showing you the products and you can shop directly from them by clicking on the product. It is giving you access to see it on their website, and it shows you the shop. Now, what's really cool about guides is if you are a business and you're selling products, you're going to be able to incorporate your products in this style of list form, but also work with influencers who are going to have access to guides as a way for you to also, share your products in a more authentic way. So influencers that are using guides are going to be able to have a little bit more of an Instagram shopping component where they are going to be able to promote products from other vendors, and I'm assuming having some sort of brand partnership with them to get a commission of sales. Now, even if you're not going to be doing products, I foresee that guides are also going to let people in the travel place create different guides that include different places. You'll be able to showcase places as well as being able to showcase products. So let's just say you are a travel blogger and you want to say the 10 best places to stay and so. You'll be able to create that list style form that you can go in and create your guide that isn't about selling a destination or selling a product, but just sharing that material in a very easy to read. Again, that way you're not sending someone to your website or your blog post, but you're sending them right there on Instagram to check out your guide. Moral of the story when it comes to Instagram guides, it's all about storytelling. Storytelling. Instagram knows that the best type of content is the content that tells a story. So remember, this is all about using Instagram and all the opportunities and features that Instagram gives you to ensure that you're telling a story, connecting with your audience. Because remember, just selling on Instagram, that's not what they want you to use the tool for. They want you to create authentic engagement with your audience. And if you're looking to learn more about how to use Instagram successfully and building those authentic engagements, you're gonna wanna check out a free video. It's our secret video all about Instagram. It's a video course, it's linked below so you guys can access it and learn everything that I teach all about growing your Instagram influence and using Instagram the way it should be used, which is about engagement and really building those deep connections. Anyways, hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to leave me a comment below. I love reading my comments. It gives me so much joy. It's the best part of the job. So leave a comment if you like the content, and make sure to subscribe to our channel if you're into all things social media and influencer marketing. Just hit that little bell, that subscribe button, so you can be notified the next time we release a new video.